Going South, a journey into English phrases. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, go south. Ever heard of it? By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. In the literal sense, south refers to the direction opposite to the north. When someone says they are heading south, they might mean they are traveling towards the southern part of a country or region. But in English, phrases often have more than one meaning. When we say something goes south in an idiomatic sense, it doesn't always refer to a geographical direction. Instead, it means 1. Things are getting worse or deteriorating. For example, the project went south after our main sponsor pulled out. 2. Something fails or doesn't go as planned. Like, I tried baking a cake for the first time, but it went south. It was a complete disaster. This phrase is often used in business and casual settings to describe unexpected and undesirable turns of events. Ever wondered where this phrase comes from? While the exact origins aren't clear, it's believed that going south might be related to the concept of declining or descending, just as the southern direction is down on a map. Over time, this term was adopted in various contexts, leading to its current idiomatic usage. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use go south in different contexts. 1. I had high hopes for the new restaurant, but the reviews have been going south. 2. If we don't finish this on time, the entire event could go south. 3. Their relationship started with so much love, but it went south after a few years. And there you have it. Now, whenever you hear the phrase, go south, or read it somewhere, you'll know exactly what it means. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions, and understanding them can enrich your language skills significantly. Hope this video was enlightening. Happy learning, and until next time.